everyone, this is our first night in Mijas in Spain. It's been very wet today, but it's just stopped now. I'm going to show you some decorations. It looks really nice, all lit up. Look at it, isn't it so beautiful? Can we walk down here, Mark, so I can show these decorations off? It is so lovely. Now they don't do anything like this where we are.
Look at this.
I know, it is, it's absolutely beautiful. Oh, you would have liked it.
Didn't they? But I think this is better than the balcony.
Yeah, much nicer. So nice.
Feliz Navidad.
Don't know what's going on up here, but there's something going on. Huh? Everybody's, I think it's a concert. Right, see you in a minute anyway, I'll come back to you soon. Bye.